Marissa, and welcome to my channel Going and Growing. It's October here in the south, late summer season going into fall, and these are my okra plants, basil, which I've let go to seed because I got plenty out of it, and it brings in the pollinators. Little eggplant, jalapeno pepper, okay? And there's actually some tomatillo, a wild one, growing in back there, and so I'm letting it go and see what I can get out of it. But my focus today is the okra. Now, the last 2 summers, ants have been ravaging my okra. It's terrible. And they can be pretty hard to control, and you have to keep after them, especially when you're using organic controls and you don't want to douse your plants that you intend to get food from with chemicals. Organic controls are effective, but you have to keep on applying them. What the ants have been doing, they've been coming up from the ground, they've been climbing these stalks. They tend to cover buds like this, or the flowers. See? And there's still hope. Look at this. There's hope for more okras if the ants don't get to them. Many people believe that ants are harmless, but usually they are a sign that they are farming sap-sucking insects such as aphids, mealybugs, and the like. So usually they are a sign of another problem. But I've noticed on my okra, it's not just that they're farming other bugs, but the ants themselves are causing significant issues. You can tell where I cut the plant. I had to just prune it off because it was so bad, and they were actually eating into the okra. There was rot. It was just really bad. And so one organic control that I have found that is very effective is cinnamon, okay? But again, it doesn't last forever, but you have to just keep. So what I do to kind of get rid of the ants, at least for the time being, and I'm going to keep doing this every weekend, this way I'm doing it on a schedule, is hard spray of water. Okay, rinse the plant down, so if there are any ants on it currently, they can get washed down. Okay. Also helps to dilute if you're going to apply anything. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my peppermint Castile soap, put some in my water buckets. All right, I'm going to get some a water-soluble fertilizer. Use the package directions for whatever you are using. Okay, I'm just not going to use very much. All right. I'm even going to sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon into my can, but usually I sprinkle the cinnamon all along the soil because it doesn't hurt at all, but it deters the ants somewhat. I'm going to fill up my bucket here, and then I'm going to water this whole area with this water that's going to have a smell in it that the ants don't care for. It doesn't keep them away very long term, but it drives them out at least for a while. So with persistence, it can help keep the ants from causing significant problems on my okra plants. Okay, so just watering it in nicely, and this should help take care of the ants, at least for a few days. And like I said, I have to just keep doing it on a schedule, and hopefully I'll be able to get some more okra. If you like this tip, please consider subscribing to my channel, and thank you so much for watching and for your encouragement. I really appreciate it, and I like sharing my garden. It's brought a lot of joy into my life, and so I hope that you are doing something that's bringing joy into your life as well. Thanks so much.